It's been off the entire time.
No, it's just one. I think it's set for 15 minutes.
It's been off?
I think it's only on for 15 minutes at a time, so we'll see. There you go, there you go. Yeah, it was all for that, man. That's so bad. That landed right on top of it.
Oh, that
I had some.
so
I
fucking
came.
cool.
I came. You probably didn't get the one that I said we got some good footage. I came flying, did a 360, stopped right in front of it.
I gotta put that on for 45 minutes.
Right, it's on now. 15 minutes. Fucking same back. I'll replicate that shit. The fucking juice squeezer. Easy, Mr. Cripple.
That was good.
That was good.
Right?
Good.
I'll fuck you. Walk and get it yourself, motherfucker. Right in front. John. I might have redeemed yourself there. A nice little barrel roll. Got a little. Making a few little noises with the eyes. It was on. Oh yeah, you'll hear it. You'll hear panic rev.
I didn't know if you could hear sound on it.
Oh, you will. You'll hear the panic rev.
steps for the day.
steps to get into the fucking.
How many steps did I do today? Well, it matters how many times these assholes crash.
They have to help me get into the pearly gate. We're gonna pull the camera back. We gotta go back a little bit. We're gonna start doing.
That's how you do it.
I was looking at my phone.
Bob didn't see it.
Of course. Why would he?
I was looking at my phone. Yeah, one's going down, one's going.
Oh yeah. But that thing is taking a fucking. You have no idea what this thing is. This is kind of my favorite one. Because every time you get snow away, how the fuck is that thing? We have a problem. It's just a body. Hold on. We have a problem. There you go. No problem.
It's so funny that that much of it. You know what? They don't. They are not that fucking funny. Well, you know what I mean. You know, you're not talking hundreds of pounds.
Yeah,
You're
but if you
talking-
went and scaled this up to a car,
Yep.
first of all, you do 250 miles an hour. It's just a 200.
Yep.
Wait to scale